Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the BioLite Stove Plus. This is the campfire version of what they have to offer. And on top is the Meat District, the OG Angus Brisket, chuck, and short rib beef patties, which we'll be making here on Father's Day. So here is the battery compartment. This is 12,800 milliamps, and on the side you get a USB-A connector to charge your phone, and then you use the micro USB to charge this. Fully charged, there's a fan in here that blows air. You can do up to 30 hours on low. You can do 14 hours on medium, 14 hours on medium and 7 hours on high speed. So there's multiple speeds, and we'll show how this connects and turns on. First, we're going to turn it on. So that's the power level right there, and it will show you LEDs on the side. So that's medium, and that's high. So just a little bit of a whirling sound, and you have air blowing inside. So going inside of the fire pit, this top part comes off like that. You can put charcoal in here, and you can put 4 pieces of wood, and this burns smokeless, which is very nice. And this simply goes in here like this. They have different cooking kits that you can put on top. They have a griddle that actually fits. It's a cast iron griddle right on top, and you can cook these on there if you want. You can make hot dogs, you can make s'mores. That's what we like. And then to turn it off, you just hold the button in, and then it will turn off. And there's a button here on top to release the battery from the fire pit. You just press down, and it comes off. So this is a modular kit. Altogether, it's about 19.8 pounds. This just fits on here like this, right there, and then you press down on the button, and then it locks into place. So now it's part of the unit. It's pretty light. I can easily pick it up, no problem, right there. And then the legs fold underneath. The legs also have a locking mechanism for each leg. So when you press this in, and it will fold up all the way under. So it becomes a nice compact design. This is the BioLite, and we have the Meat District, the OG beef patties on top. Okay, we're grilling up the OG. We're putting the seasoning on there from Meat District. Looks super delicious. We can't wait to eat this on Father's Day. Yum. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.